to Tesla Life Europe, with news, tips, and great destinations to visit with your Tesla. This is episode 12. There's been a lot of interesting news from Tesla recently. Price reductions for Model S and Model X, an update for Model 3, and the rollout of a beta version of the new autopilot software. Model S and Model X prices have decreased by €3,000 each. They are now available from €79,990 and €88,990. Some news media have suggested that Tesla is undergoing a sales slide for Model S and Model X, but that is clearly misinformation. The Model S and Model X were delivered 15,200 times during the third quarter. That is 50% more compared to the second quarter of 2020, where 10,000 Model S and Model X were delivered. So, the price decrease is simply good news for new buyers. Tesla's Model 3 has been refreshed, with new wheels. A software update, to improve the efficiency of the motors, resulting in more range. And a new center console, and motorized trunk. The Model 3 long-range and performance versions are quicker too. The fastest version needs only 3.3 seconds to go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. The good news is that with all these improvements, the price stays the same. That makes the Tesla Model 3 an even more attractive car for new owners. Maintenance costs are much lower than gas cars, and the extensive Supercharger network has the lowest price per kilowatt hour of all competitors, at a kilowatt per hour price at the Tesla Supercharger of about 25 cents. On Tuesday, 20th October, Tesla will roll out the first beta version of their new autopilot software. The first rollout will be to select drivers in the US only. This update is a complete rewrite of the autopilot software. The rewrite will include a more in-depth labeling system, which will bring the system closer to full self-driving. That's it for now. Meanwhile, stay safe and stay tuned, and please click subscribe to be notified of new videos.